Two murder suspects have been pointing the finger at each other today in the case of a young woman who was snatched off of 6th Street, killed, and then her body burned.
Testimony in the trial of one of those suspects began this morning. Martha Hernandez and her husband, Kenneth, are charged with the murder of this woman, 21-year-old Christy Espinosa, after the Mardi Gras celebration down on 6th Street in 2009. Well, today, Martha's trial got underway, and KXAN's Chris Sadeghi is live down at the Travis County Justice Complex with what the jury heard today. Chris?
Well, Leslie, no doubt there will be some important testimony to be heard that will determine the fate of this husband and wife. But today, right off the bat, emotional testimony from a murdered woman's mother. The wife will face the justice first, and in opening arguments, naturally, her lawyers blamed her husband, Kenneth, but prosecutors say 21-year-old Christy Espinosa was murdered, her body burned after a Mardi Gras celebration on 6th Street, and Martha Hernandez is her killer.
Those Mardi Gras beads that were found at the scene, this defendant's DNA is included in that.
In the arrest affidavits, Martha and her husband blamed each other for the murder, but police say the couple plucked Espinosa randomly from the 6th Street crowd that night, and the emotional testimony came from the first witness, Christy's mother.
Christy and I speak on a daily basis, and so I called her cell phone that morning, and there was no answer. And I called back, and there was no answer.
Relatives say the couple's motivation may have been to steal her identity, which could explain the mysterious envelope Diana Espinosa received in the days after her daughter's death.
When I opened it, I realized that someone had put my daughter's driver's license in a piece of paper, stapled it, and mailed it to me.
First responders and fire investigators were also heard on day number 1 and testified about responding to what first came in as a brush fire call, but turned out to be Christy's body.
There was a strong odor around the body that was consistent with the smell of what we find with gasoline.
Kenneth Hernandez's trial is still scheduled to begin on December 3rd. Now, tomorrow in this trial, we should see surveillance video that shows the couple driving around in their car, along with a female believed to be Christy Espinosa. We're live at the Travis County Justice Complex. Chris Sadeghi, KXAN Austin News.